Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are making golden syrup because in certain countries, it is hard to find it in stores. In a later episode, we shall make mooncake with this golden syrup, a Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival sweet. Let's get started. To begin, prepare and gather your ingredients. Cut the lemon into half. Squeeze to extract the lemon juice. Then pour the juice through a fine meshed strainer to get rid of seeds and pulps. Next, gather 225 grams of sugar and 120 milliliters of water. To make the golden syrup, heat the water, sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in a medium-sized heavy bottom pot over medium heat. Remember to stir very slowly or in a gentle, slow motion to dissolve the sugar in the pot. Try to avoid splashing the sugar liquid onto the wall of the pot. Note, lemon juice is acidic. It helps to stabilize the syrup mixture. It can break down sugar molecules to prevent crystallization in the syrup. When the sugar is completely dissolved, you can stop stirring the liquid. Once the sugar solution begins to boil, immediately turn the heat down to low. I use 4 on my induction cooktop, but this will vary from different brand of cooktop. Leave the saucepan uncovered and do not stir the syrup again. Let the liquid simmer on low for about 60 minutes or longer until the sugar turns into a rich amber color. After simmering for about 20 minutes, your syrup will be in a very light yellowish color. After 30 minutes of simmering, the syrup will turn into a much brighter yellowish color. After 60 minutes, the solution will turn into a rich amber color and the temperature should reach between 115 to 126 degrees Celsius. Let it sit for a few minutes before pouring the hot syrup into a jar. At this moment, the syrup might look a bit thin. However, it will be thickened to the consistency of honey once it is cool. Let the syrup cool completely before closing the jar with a tight sealing lid. This recipe makes approximately 200 milliliters of golden syrup. Note, golden syrup can be stored in room temperature for up to 1 year, provided it is handled with a clean utensil for each use. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please consider like, share and subscribe. See you in the next episode soon. Happy cooking!